A warm good afternoon to one and all. We are the students of Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management, Hyderabad, Telangana. I am Sheba Shaista, currently pursuing my graduation in the field of computer science engineering. I would like to thank Atmanirbhar Northeast Conclave for giving us this opportunity to explore our talent here. And also I would like to thank our institution for supporting us to come and to travel 2,000 miles from south to north. Now, next slide, please. Our project is solar fertilizer sprayer. Next slide. We are a team of 4 members, Mr. P. Krishna, Sheba Shaista, that is me, Mohammad Sohail and Kummari Saujanya. We are from interdisciplinary departments which we have worked to this project and gave our 100%. Next slide, please. So as we all know, for the development of any other places or our nation, the most important thing which we need is 7 sustainable development goals. As you all aware of that, so we have total 17 sustainable development goals. What are these basically? So these sustainable goals are a connection and interlinked global design for the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. Not only Northeast, we are here to represent our nation. So this sustainable is a key note where every place has to be followed to reuse and generate renewable energies, to use renewable energies as well. Next slide, please. So the basic introduction of solar fertilizer sprayer is India has around 150 million ranchers who straightly forwarded own territories and use it for cultivation. And 90% of farmers and utilizing strategies required to develop the areas, which is back, and also to develop the field in their specified categories. Next slide, please. Our basic objective is to find a solution for the people who we went, and also our basic mission is to become a global leaders to solve community-based oriented problems by using our engineering skills. This is our main mission. And our vision is to serve the nation with the engineering skills that we possess in our institution. The problem statement that we had is UBA Hitam has adopted a village. It's called Dundigal. Then we went to Dundigal. We had a survey over there. Then we finalized, then we came to a conclusion that the farmers over there were facing issues for getting a better, good quality of crop there. We went to them, we spoke to each and every farmer over there, and we finalized a conclusion that each and every farmer are facing issues in terms of finances and in terms of medical. Then we came to know that the farmers over there who were taking care of plants and crops, they told that they are suffering with the medical issues, like they have skin rashes while spraying the fertilizers into the crop. And as well as farmers have already made their statement clear that they have certain backbone issues after certain age limit. Then later they couldn't do the work as they do it before. So they had backbone issues, skin care issues, medical issues in respiratory system. So from there we came to a conclusion and we proposed a solution for the problem as being a UBA adopted village. Next slide, please. Our proposed solution. The basic proposed solution is we made a solar fertilizer sprayer. It is basically very low cost fertilizer sprayer that a farmer can adopt, and also very much understandable and user friendly to each and every farmer out there. We used solar panels of 40 volts, and we used a light weight metal material which is called MS, and along with that we have also used we have also used converter, amplifier, and also the nozzles and wheels which can be adjustable. That will be detailed explained in the final project. Next slide, please. Now I would like to hand over the uniqueness part to Mr. Krishna.
Uniqueness of our project. It is a totally depends on the solar power. Because of the solar power energy is a renewable energy, also it is free of cost. It contains also from multi-purpose used to carry the essential needs like to solid fertilizers and soil crop need materials to into the fields. It also portable to and adjustable to adjusted height, and with the depends on the crop height and the fertilizers fields. It contains our 4 nozzles and spray the at a time. It takes the less time and covers the large amount of area. Next
Slide, please.
The major technology which is involved in the project. The battery is the battery hello. The battery is 20 watts and solar panel is 40 watts and double motor. It is a dual motor. It contains 2 motors. One is if you want one on, then it is a it is a solar converter. It is convert the solar energy into electrical energy and store it in the battery.
This is the basic conceptual designs that we have developed in the workshop at Hitham. This is the first phase of our conceptual design. Next slide, please. This is the second phase where we worked for this solar fertilizer sprayer. This is the second phase of it. Next slide, please. This is the final product that we developed.
It contains the solar fertilizer sprayer is contains the 4 wheels. It is a movable and easy to move in the fields, and it contains 40 volts solar panel. Also we arranged the 20 volts battery and 2-pole 5-pole engine of sprayer also.
The energy which has been stored into the solar panel with the help of converter, the energy is converted into the solar energy to electrical energy. We also have an adapter which is used to charge the energy, like when it is